road to nowhere. Come on inside. I can't remember the rest of the lyrics. M40 time.
All of it.
Pretty much, yeah.
Literally all of it.
Well, we're coming off at junction 3, so not quite. But yeah.
This is junction 3.
Okay, why did that say junction 3 on that? Okay.
We ain't coming off at junction 3.
No.
This is junction 3.
I don't remember anyway. I think we missed one or two junctions at the start.
Yeah.
And one or two junctions at the end. But yeah. Just in time solutions. Can you just in time the solutions to the end of the M40, please? No? Oh. Oh well. It was worth a try. 17 hours later.
We're not far now.
Still on the M40 though. Such a boring road. It's not as if you can make your own fun, is it? Because it's so boring, there's not anything to see. Oh look, there's a power cable. That's exciting. There's the Drayton sign.
Feels weird coming in from a different angle.
Now open.
Woohoo!
Yeah, because normally we come from the north. Today we've come from the south. South. Been down in London town.
London town. Bro, like, come on. Yeah, that was really bad.
That was.
Sorry, London viewers and London friends.
1897 apparently the golf course was founded.
We've just thought, do the looping group also own the golf course? Let us know down below
If anyone
if
knows.
anyone knows. Will this work?
Because Heather has an annual pass.
Yay!
Yay!
It did!
And here we are, Drayton Manor. Never done the golf here.
No. For the,
It's an upcharge, it's £2.
the opening day of the Adventure Cove Rapids.
Presuming it's opened and not been delayed. Could you imagine that? Stranger things have happened.
Exactly. It's a bit wowzers! Look, the queue for Buffalo. It's
No, that's not
literally-
Buffalo.
That's Buffalo's
well, there's
queue.
queue for Buffalo and entrance. They're using the second entrance.
Yeah.
Heather,
Oh shit, sorry.
stop looking at the theme park and look where you're going. Especially since there's a big place we could go splosh. Right. Rory's out.
Rory's out.
Hello. Got surfing
You know
USA.
something's going on when Maelstrom's queues out
The door.
out the gate.
Oh yeah. Surfing USA. Right, now it's quieter. Hello from Drayton.
Hello, opening day of Adventure Cove fully. Rapids are open today, which, as you can see, is where we're going first. Ooh. Painful. Obviously we need to try the wave swinger as well, because this is all still boarded up. Looks like we're in a long queue.
Yeah, but it only opened, what, half an hour ago?
Yeah,
So
it only opened at 12, so it's only been open 35
well,
minutes.
that says a lot. They're only on photo 88. So yeah,
Yeah.
I think this is gonna take a while. Something unusual.
It's got a maximum height.
Yeah. Fortunately, I'm nowhere near that. I'm tall, but not that tall.
No.
Nice to see they've beamed up the queue line.
Yeah.
Even if apparently the barrels are nice. Nice to see they've redone the queue line. Find out more as we carry on. Oh, look at the effect. That reminds me of Wallaby, Belgium. Something we've noticed is the up cabin has been moved from in the centre to over to the side for the ride now, which is interesting to notice. Well, it is to me.
So they've even painted the underneath of Shockwave Station. Very, very neat idea, as that is Shockwave lift hill. What are we going on?
X. Oh no, wrong park.
Wrong park, Ian.
Haunting. The haunting.
The haunting, finally, after how long?
For us, a long time.
I think the last time I did it was the first time we met.
No, we've done it
Have we
since
done it
then.
since
Yeah,
then?
we've done it since then.
Because
I've done this with you. And I didn't do it that day.
Yes, that's true.
We've done it a couple of times, so you know. But not often, because quite often it's down, or we just come and look at the queue and say no.
Yeah.
But today, everywhere's queued.
Well, yeah. So the reason we came today was because of the opening of the River Rapids. What did you think?
It was nice. It was really nice. I like the new theming. I did find it odd that they themed up the wave machines and then not using the wave machines.
Yeah,
but, you know,
maybe they're going to use them in the future.
Yeah.
They just wanted to get it open, I think,
Yeah.
didn't they?
But it's nice new theming, nice new water effect, which I got a shot of earlier.
Yeah.
With the water shooting over the top of you. It's sprinkling you with water, not getting you too wet, unlike the one at Wallaby, Belgium. But yeah, it's really, really nice. Nice to have it back.
Yeah, I totally agree. Just giving him a drink.
Oops, sorry.
I totally agree. It's so nice for Drayton Manor to have the rapids back. We queued for just over an hour.
An hour and 10 minutes.
An hour, 10 minutes, which for opening day is understandable, considering they only announced yesterday that they were opening. So those of you know that we should have been at Legoland today. But obviously when we saw the announcement, it was a no-brainer really, wasn't it? To stop on the way back up and check out the rapids, check out the area, and give the haunting a go. So
yeah, because with the queues being so long everywhere, doesn't matter where you stood, you're going to be stood.
exactly. So obviously we can't take you guys inside. So for Coma Madhouse, just like Hex at Alton Towers,
Just small.
just a little bit smaller than Hex. But yeah, it's one of our favourites here, so we will see you soon. So that brings to the end our flying visit to Drayton Manor. Of course, we did just come for the opening day of the Adventure Cove River Rapids.
Yeah, because we're so tired.
We're absolutely pooped.
But that was a good day. Nice to get on the haunting for the first time.
Yeah.
We were trying to work out how long earlier, but we can't work it out. But yeah, it's good to be back. Good to see, great to see the park as busy as this.
Yeah.
Not great for rides, but great to see.
No, the park is absolutely heaving today, which is amazing. We don't know how many people would have come had it not been for the reopening of the rapids, ourselves included in that. But yeah, really, really good day. I think the highlight for me is just seeing the park busy.
Yes, yeah, probably me too, yeah.
Yeah, just seeing the park busy and seeing people starting to come again, which is really, really nice. So as I said, only a short vlog. We are heading back now. But yeah, we hope you've enjoyed the vlogs from this trip, and we don't know when the next vlog will be. We
do.
When?
Next weekend?
Well, I don't know if I'm going to vlog yet.
Oh.
We are at Towers on Saturday for Towers Time's first event in nearly 2 years. So it should be.
Oh yeah, so you probably won't vlog.
Yeah, so it'll be nice to see the guys, see all our friends, and meet the new team as well.
Yeah.
Brand new team.
Well, some are.
Well, the majority of the team's new. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. So it's bye from both of us while we go and find the car park, and we'll see you later, guys. Bye.